Hey guys, well, here it is, finally our Christmas display video. Took us forever. We were having some problems with the jack that was on the garage, but everything's done now. Here you can see we have most of the character ones on this side. Over here we have the balloon, and these are mostly new. These Jack Skellington and the Grinch ones. Some we've had for years, but some are new. Like these two are new. We have up there our Santa. You know, we're having some problems with some of them getting dim, so I don't know how to fix them because they don't have light bulbs. This guy keeps falling over. There we go. Alright, so here it is. You can see all of our pathway lights are up. This is the mural I made. Here you can see our tunnel. Our wreath, our other Christmas tree. These are the new lights. And these are more twinkly lights that I put up. Twinkly is a brand that you can like change the pattern on these. So excited to have these. I got these at home on clearance. Oh no, he's down for the count. There's gonna be a blizzard or something coming, a cold storm. So I needed to get this done before that, because I'm pretty sure that the wind's gonna pick up and we're not gonna have any chance of these guys staying up. Nom nom. There we are. Up you go, Mr. Proud Soldier. There he is. Here you can see the back of them. So I'll give you guys one last pan, you know, without me talking, so you could see the display. Tell me what you think, and of course I'll show it to you after that what it looks like at night. Alright, so this is what the display looks like at night. I wanted to show you all the lights.
Yeah.
Alright, here you can see that most of them are looking good with the warm lights. You can see my trees there. I don't know if you think that's too many lights or not. Over here we have more character licensed stuff. You can see all our licensed characters here. The garage has some lights. We have some laser lights going. You can see all our pathway lights. Here you could see these guys back here. It looks really pretty, like the camera doesn't do it justice. Look at Grinch is glowing from the back because of my tunnel. Here you can see the Num Num Chipmunk. I have some more twinkly lights up there, and here's the arch. You can walk through here. This is the front door. You can see there's LEDs. And then there's another Christmas tree in there.
Yeah, and the elf made them.
And yeah. This is how it is if you're walking out the door.
Isn't it cool?
Alright, so I'm going to show you up there our Christmas tree. And you could see another Christmas tree. And you could see our little thing that says Merry Christmas. Alright, now let me just get it far away.
Yeah.
Alright, let me get a pen.
It's so beautiful.
Look, you see how that snow globe one fogs up? You can't even see him in there. So we're getting a lot of these like inflatables with the dimming lights, and I know they're LEDs. I don't know if there's a way to fix them or what, but we're having a lot of dimming lights on some inflatables. And they're not light bulbs you can change, they're like LEDs. I need to figure out how to do that. If somebody knows how, drop me a link or something. Alright guys, so let me know what you guys think of this display. Thank you guys so much for watching. Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.